Hello guys! Calzone is as famous as pizza in Italy. Today I am going to show you how to make mini calzone. Some people call it calzone, some people call it calzone, are nothing but small pizza pockets. Let's begin. For making calzone bread base, I am taking 4 cups of maida, that is all-purpose flour, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup hot water and instant yeast. We will now mix sugar into hot water and mix well. Then add 1 tablespoon of instant yeast powder and mix well. Keep stirring for 1 minute because the yeast need to get mixed really well. We will now cover it and keep it aside in a warm place for 10 minutes so that bubbles are formed. For preparing the dough, I am taking maida in a large bowl, adding 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, mix well. After 10 minutes, as you can see, nice froth has formed in the yeast mixture. Now we will add this into maida. Mix it well. Now we will add some warm water and knead the dough. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix it again. The dough is now ready. We will cover it and keep it in a warm place for 2 hours for fermentation. Friends, I want to share the secret. This method of making dough is same for pizza, calzone and even naan. These are the ingredients that we need to prepare calzone. We are going to make mini calzone because they are easy to handle and prepare. For making the stuffing, we need bell peppers. I have taken red, orange and green bell peppers cut into small pieces, medium small pieces like this. Then we need 1 large onion. We need cottage cheese or called as paneer. I have boiled them with salt and removed extra water. We need jalapenos and we need sweet corn. Sweet corn also I have boiled it in water with salt and removed the excess water and strained. And cheese cubes or cheddar or mozzarella cheese as per your choice. And for seasoning, we need salt, oregano, black pepper powder, olives, garlic powder, red chili flakes, pizza or pasta sauce and olive oil. Let's begin. We will now heat a large pan. Take 2 tablespoons of olive oil in it. Now we will add chopped onions. Let onions mix nicely with olive oil. Do not add salt here. Now we will add bell peppers. That too, just give it a nice mix. We are not going to cook these vegetables here. For calzone stuffing, we need just tossing with olive oil. Now let's add sweet corn and cottage cheese or paneer cubes. We will crush paneer cubes with fingers. Reduce the flame, and now we will add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1.5 tablespoons of red chili flakes, and 1.5 tablespoon of crushed oregano. Switch off the flame and add jalapenos. Add black olives and 2 teaspoons of salt. Give it a nice mix. Let's transfer the mixture into a large bowl. Isn't it looking amazing and colorful? We will keep it aside for cooling. Do not cover it, otherwise vegetables will start releasing water. It has already doubled. We will knead it again for 1 minute. I have kept the tandoor for preheating for at least 5 minutes. Now let's start preparing the mini calzone. Now our stuffing is ready. I am taking all-purpose flour for dusting. Our dough is also ready. I had kept it for 2 hours. We need pizza or pasta sauce and cheese cube. Some oil. First we will dip our fingers into oil. Make one small roll like this. Now we will dust it into maida or all-purpose flour. Now we will start rolling. Now we will apply pizza pasta sauce on one side. Remember, we are going to fold it, so no need to spread on the whole calzone. Now we will put the stuffing. Now we will add cheese. Now we will fold it. Press it gently. Now we will take a fork. One more tip I want to give you. Before you start pressing this, put it into the maida like this and then start pressing. It will not stick to the calzone. You can make this calzone into bigger sizes also. For baking I am using tandoor. You can use OTG also. Tandoor is heated. Now I have put some butter. The side which contains the flour we will keep down. We'll poke it on this side too. and we will apply some butter or olive oil. Now we will put it into the oven. We will bake it for 3 to 4 minutes and then check. 3-4 minutes are over. We will check now. Wow, it's almost ready. Now we will switch off the tandoor and leave it for 2 minutes. See, this is now ready. I've taken it out from tandoor. Look at that, superb and crispy. We will cut it and see. Look at that, our pizza pockets or calzone is ready.